I am Her Royal Highness Queen Elizabeth from Buckingham Palace, wishing my very good friend Ollie the-Cockatiel all the very best for his endeavour to walk the length of New Zealand via Te Araroa Trail. Good luck, Ollie.